So I want to review for you the Eminence Cannabis Rex 12-inch speaker. It's an 8-ohm speaker rated at 50 watts. And the reason why I have this set up, this is the Fender Champion 40 with its stock 12-inch speaker. And I'm gonna play through this. And then this is wired as a head, so I can actually unplug it from using this speaker and plug it into this speaker. So with using the same guitar and the same amp, I can give you a very good idea how this speaker flavors the tone. I think it warms it up, rounds off the tone a little bit, but I want you to decide. So that's the most important thing. So when I play for you today, I'm gonna use my Squire Classic Vibes Telly. It's the 1960s custom. You might see a little link pop up on the screen for it. I've recently joined the YouTube affiliate partnership. So if you click there, I get a small commission. It's just one way I support this channel. And this right here is a modded telly. I recommend the stock one. Just go ahead and get that. But over time, you're gonna find you can easily mod it. This one has Lawler pickups in it here and here. I'm gonna be using the bridge pickup, and I'm not gonna change any settings on this from tone to tone. You're just gonna hear this amp set, and then with the exact same settings, I'm gonna come down here and play. Now, before I launch into it, I have to give the guys down at Dixie Speaker a huge shout out. They loaned this speaker to me. They are the Southeastern Eminence reps, and I'm so excited to have this speaker. And full disclosure, I'm gonna put links down in the description section, their phone number, and a link to this speaker. So if you call them, tell them 5 Minute Music sent you, and if you order it, just type in 5mm at checkout. Those guys will take good care of you, and I do receive a small commission from every sale that I make, so I wanted to be upfront and tell you that. So here we go. So another thing to consider, this is an open back cabinet for the Fender Champion 40. This right here can be closed back or open back. So I've taken the back off and I'm playing it in an open back configuration. So you can get an equal comparison to this in an open back cabinet versus this speaker in an open back cabinet. So another quick note, I'm gonna be miking these speakers in the same place. You can see in the middle, but just below the center. I'm gonna be doing that for both of these. Let's keep going. One other thing, this cabinet comes with this nice grill here, and you can see it Velcros, and you just attach the Velcro right there and it sits in there. Fits very well, but I wanted you to be able to see the speaker, so I'm recording without that. So starting off, we're gonna start off with this amp. Gain and volume both set around 4 on one of the British sounds, and no effects, and the EQ set 5 and 5 for the bass and the treble. And so we're gonna play that here and then here. Here we go. So now we're gonna compare a clean tone. I set this to a cleaner channel, and I put the volume on 4 and the gain on 3, still treble and bass on 5. We're gonna start with the Fender Champion 40, and then we're gonna go to the Cannabis Rex. So here we go, Fender Champion 40. I want to interject real quick. So as you're listening, if you're hearing crackles on the Cannabis Rex samples, that is not the speaker. That is actually the preamp. As I was recording the Cannabis Rex speaker, it was pushing the preamp harder. The Cannabis Rex is significantly louder than the Fender Champion 40 speaker, and I just did not catch it in the recording phase. Take a look at this. This is a screenshot. Look at how much bigger the audio file is here. I'll point here. This is the Cannabis Rex audio, and this is the Fender Champion 40 audio. So as you can see, there's a massive difference, which could be a good thing. If you want a speaker that's really loud and just can push a lot of sound, the Cannabis Rex might be the way to go for you. Let's keep going. So I wanted to do one more thing. Now I wanted to do clean but picking. So I'm going to do the clean picking on the Fender, and then we'll switch to the Cannabis Rex. So here we go. So what did you think? How do you think the Cannabis Rex 12-inch speaker compared to the stock Fender 12-inch speaker? I want to hear from you. How do you think it did? It round off the tone? Was one more mids driven than another? Was it more balanced, more clear, more focused? What do you think? I want to hear from you. And also, if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up, give me a like so I know to keep doing content like this. I also did a couple of videos you might want to watch. I did one where I demoed this in open back and closed back configuration. If you've ever wondered if that makes a difference in the sound, it does. And if you want to hear that, click right here, and also click right here if you want to see how my buddy modded this Fender Champion 40 amp. All right, well, thank you for your time as always. God bless, have a great day. Bye.